Functional fitness for all, from roots to fruits and tall. Hi, I'm Dr. Jen, your favorite physical therapist with a passion for wellness and prevention. And today on the Genergy Wellness Show, we are dehydrating some apples in the air fryer. You can also air fry them, but I personally like the dehydration function, which is why I got the Ninja Foodi XL Pro air fryer, because it does have that dehydrate option. So we are going to slice the apples in very, very thin slices. Most people will recommend that you core the apples or that you cut the center of it out after you've already sliced it. I personally love the shape and effect that you get if you don't core them. You end up getting this really cool star pattern, and you can just pop the seeds out. So that's what I've elected to do, but know that it's a personal preference. So I've already washed the apples, and we're just gonna make really thin little slices here. Be careful as you get to the end. If you kind of turn your fingers under like this, you can put the knife right up against without risking cutting your fingers. So we'll go like this. Perfect. Okay, so then I've got some over here already. That's what the finished product looks like. Then you're gonna take some lemon juice and just kind of sprinkle it across there. And then we are going to pat it dry. And it is absolutely fine just to put them right in the air fryer to dehydrate just like this, but I like a little pinch of salt because it helps them leach out the moisture, which will help with the dehydration process. So just a pinch of salt here, and then I like to put some cinnamon on as well. Just gives them a nice extra little spice. Okay, that's what we've got. Beautiful. And then I've got one more already pre-cut and ready here. So again, we're gonna do some lemon juice. Okay. Pat it dry. And if you are using the Ninja Foodi air fryer, they recommend using this basket. And if you're doing 2 rows, then you use this one, which has slats in it, and you'll put the cookie sheet that comes with it underneath. So then let's do our little bit of salt, just a pinch. Okay, and some cinnamon. Okay, and in the Ninja booklet, it says to do 5 to 6 hours. I have found that 6 hours or 6 hours and 15 minutes is kind of the sweet spot for me. So let's take them on over. All right, we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna change the function to dehydrate. So again, in the booklet, they recommend 135 for 5 to 6 hours. I've kind of found the sweet spot is 140 degrees for about 6 hours and 15 minutes. So we are gonna place those in there. Okay, and we're gonna hit start. Okay. I'll see you in 6 hours.
All right, they're done. Let's see. Oh yes, those look beautiful. All right, let's try them. Mmm, delicious. What do you think, Bucky? That's absolutely delicious.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it has inspired you to make some apple chips or dehydrated apples of your own. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Drop me a comment below and let me know your favorite recipe for apple chips. As always, I hope you have a beautiful day and that you're happy, healthy, and strong. And now it's time for some apple-themed jokes. First joke. What is worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding a snake. Next joke. Why did the apple go to jail? Because he was rotten to the core. Next joke. Why did Johnny Appleseed cross the road? To get to the other cider. Eat your apples. This is probably a great idea. Juggling apples. Oh, it's good. Ooh, all right, third time is the charm. Victory is mine.